Let's be real for a second. If you're in business, you write a ton of emails. And what if you could get back all those hours you spend just staring at a blank page? Well, in this explainer, we're going to break down the expert framework from Dr. Vernette Grant on how to totally master HubSpot's AI email writer, Breeze. So let's just dive right in.
Does this look familiar? That blinking cursor. It's like it's mocking you, right? The pressure to write that perfect outreach email, the perfect follow-up, it is such a huge time sink. We've all been there, just trying to find the right words while our to-do list just gets longer and longer.
And Dr. Grant just hits the nail on the head here. This isn't just about making things easier. It's about getting back your most valuable resource, your time. The old way of doing things, writing every single email from the ground up, it's officially outdated. So what's the new way?
Okay, so let's get into the solution. We're talking about HubSpot's built-in AI writer, a tool that they call Breeze. And look, this isn't just another generic AI. It's built specifically for the sales and marketing workflow.
Here is the absolute game changer. Breeze is CRM aware. What does that mean? It means it doesn't just spit out generic text. No, it taps directly into your HubSpot data, your contacts, their job titles, what they've been doing on your site to create emails that are deeply personal, right from the very first draft.
Now, having a powerful tool is one thing, but knowing how to use it, that's everything. And this is where Dr. Grant's method really shines. It all starts with the prompt. You know the saying, garbage in, garbage out, right? So let's learn how to give the AI a brilliant place to start.
Her framework breaks it all down into 4 simple keys. First, who are you talking to? And be specific, not just prospects, but healthcare executives in North America. Second, what do you want them to do? Is it schedule a demo or download a white paper? Third, how should it sound? You know, consultative or maybe professional yet approachable? And finally, what are the key pieces of information it absolutely has to include? And this is how you make the magic happen automatically. Instead of typing in all those little details by hand, you use these CRM variables directly in your prompt. I mean, just imagine an email that references the exact web page a contact just looked at, or even pulls in notes from your last Fathom meeting. That is hyper-personalization at scale.
And here's a little pro tip straight from the playbook. Never, ever settle for the first subject line the AI gives you. Always ask it to generate 3 to 5 different options and keep them under 50 characters. This gives you instant ammo for A/B testing so you can see what really gets your audience to click.
Okay, so you have a solid AI-generated draft. Awesome. But the job isn't done just yet. Now comes the refining stage. This is all about making the email sound less like an AI and more like, well, you. It's about making sure your unique voice and expertise are still front and center.
And the key to refining fast is using these slash commands. Seriously, think of them as your editing cheat codes. Need the email to be a little punchier? Just type /shorten. Want to add more data points? Use /evidence-based. These commands let you reshape the AI's output super quickly without having to start all over again.
And this is where you really start to see the efficiency kick in. Once you have a core message that you love, you don't start from scratch for a new audience. Nope. You just ask the AI to regenerate it with a slightly different tone or focus for your other key segments. One solid idea can become 3 or 4 perfectly tailored emails in just a few seconds.
All right, let's zoom out to the bigger picture and see how all these little pieces build into a cohesive system. Dr. Grant calls this the optimization chain. It's not just about writing one email. It's about creating a whole outreach machine that gets smarter over time. This 5-step process creates this really powerful feedback loop. So you draft, you segment, you optimize the send time. Then you track the results, the opens, the clicks. But here is the crucial last step. You take that performance data and you use it to go back and make your original prompts even better. It means every single email cycle gets smarter than the last.
And for those of you who want to really level up, this whole workflow doesn't have to just live inside HubSpot. By using a tool like Zapier, you can connect it to your entire tech stack. Just imagine a positive reply automatically creating a task for you in Asana or triaging an email in Superhuman. We're talking total automation here.
So why go through all this trouble? What's the actual payoff? Well, it's about way more than just saving time. It's about getting much better results by working smarter, not harder.
And here's the number you should be aiming for. When you follow this framework, the target is a 20 to 30% open rate. I mean, come on, in today's world of crowded inboxes, that is a massive achievement. And it's possible because this whole method is built around genuine, personalized communication.
I absolutely love this quote because it really gets to the heart of the whole philosophy. This isn't about just blasting a list of contacts. It's a complete mindset shift. When you use data to be more relevant and helpful, you're not targeting someone, you're starting a conversation. You're inviting them to collaborate with you.
So, we'll end on this thought. When you combine your human strategy with AI's efficiency, using the incredible framework by Dr. Vernette Grant, you're not just sending another email, you're creating a real opportunity. For more explainers like this on AI, make sure you subscribe. And of course, for a deeper dive, check out Dr. Grant's work. The only question left is, what opportunity are you going to unlock first?